Contribution to COVID-19 research, a bibliometric study by Ajit Kumar Rajkumar Prajapati and Dr. Prayatkar Kanadia. Abstract: COVID-19 affected almost every human on this planet, directly, directly or indirectly. Researchers and scientists across the world are trying their best to find a solution for this pandemic, and due to this, within the first 6 months of the 2020 year, over 20,000 research papers have been published. To measure the Indian researchers' contribution to COVID-19 research, this study was conducted. Total of total of 1129 articles were published by the Indian authors individually and collaboratively. Indian researchers are also jointly conducting studies with the other researchers who are associated with reputed international organizations. Introduction: Novel coronavirus COVID-19. It is also known as SARS-CoV-2, and it affects serious disease related to the respiratory system. As the latest statistics from the WHO official website, COVID-19 infected cases are 8 crore 50 lakh 6,107 and 4 lakh 55,231 deaths. WHO Coronavirus Disease COVID-19 Dashboard 2020. India is the fourth most infected country now with a total of 3,95,048 confirmed cases, following USA, Brazil and Russia are respectively at first, second and third positions. To control the virus infection, many countries have declared a countrywide lockdown. These studies have generated a considerable amount of research papers and other materials, and it is also still increasing rapidly. Till 20th June 2020, the world's most known citation database Scopus and Web of Science index 18,699 and 7,934 respectively. Objective: the main objective behind this study is to identify the publications from India on COVID-19, national and international collaboration, funding agencies, authors, most preferred journals to publish the research, methodology, search strategy and data extraction. To study the quantitative analysis of the publications on COVID-19, a bibliographic database Scopus has been used. The related information was downloaded from a database using the term COVID-19 and coronavirus on 20 June 2020. Use Boolean operator or has been used for both terms and the fields. Articles, title, abstract, keywords were used. India's publications filter country/tertiary has been used, which ultimately given 1129 total publications published by Indian authors or organizations. In this study, no year barrier has been applied. Whatever data indexed by the Scopus that has been taken for the analysis. The publication data downloaded in CSV bibliotex TXT format and later to analyze the data R software was used. Limitations of the study: bibliographic database Scopus was used to carry out this study. Scopus widely covers the English journals, hence non-English material was not considered for this study. Additional statistics are generated from other reputed databases and also self-calculated. This study is undertaken only for the Indian authors' publications on the topic COVID-19. It may also cover international or non-Indian authors as the paper may in collaboration. This study was purely carried based on the bibliographic details. During the study, full text of the articles were not reviewed. Results and observation or discussion. Total 1129 publications were covered under the period of 1979 to 2020, and all these publications were published in 396 sources, books, journals, etc. 810 articles are open access. The various funding agencies funded total 64 projects. Average publications by year stands at 0.272, 1.785. Average citation received. Total publications contains 22,410 references and total 2015 citations were received. Publications and collaborations. Publication by country. Considering the corresponding authors' country affiliation, the extracted publications were from 24 countries. India was the country with most scientific papers published on COVID-19, 278 publications, followed by USA 8, United Kingdom 7, Iran 3. It shows the highest contribution from India as in this study, and only Indian publications were extracted. Country collaboration. The countries which are more collaborated with India were in United Kingdom, USA, Australia, and China, whereas Germany, Brazil, Spain, Italy, and Iran in the next level of collaboration. Authors and collaborations. Most of the publications were co-authored publications, and only 13% of publications, 147 of 1129, were single authored publications, and 982 publications were multi authored. Considering the multi authored publications with more than one author, the collaboration index was 3.6, which describes that average authors per publications were between 3 and 4. Top authors production over the time. The most contributing author can define multiple ways: highest number of citation, publications, and H index. Based on the number of citations received, most impact author is Dhamma K. He received a total of 153 citations for their 12 publications, and his H index is 5. Based on the number of publications, author Vivanti Kit is impact author, as he has published a total of 61 publications. He got 49 citations and his H index is 3. Same way, based on H index author, Mishra A is most impact author, as as his H index is 6. He has received a total of 123 citations and he published 13 publications. Most cited publications. Most cited publications, the most highly cited paper entitled Synthesis, Antiviral Activity, and Cytotoxicity, cytotoxicity, cytotoxicity evaluation of C basis of some 2 phenyl quinozoline 43H1 by Kumar K.S., published in European Journal of Medical Chemistry, has total 106 citations. The second article is Clinical, Laboratory and Imaging Features of COVID-19, a systematic review and meta-analysis by Rodriguez Morales AZ, published in Travel Medicine Infection Disease. It has total 103 citations. A third position, a third position article title Prevalence of viral infection detected by PCR and RT-PCR in patients with acute exacerbation of COPD. A systematic review by Mohan A. published in Respirology has total 91 citations. Most relevant sources. The top 10 sources where a good number of publications have published by the Indian researchers. It also shows that the major journals are from Indian publishers. The site score of these journals stands between 0 to 2.6. It also shows that 6 journals are subscription based and the rest are open source journals. Most relevant affiliations. The most productive institute or organization is All India Institute of Medical Science (AIMS) with a total of 189 publications. The second ranked Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research with total 129 publications. Dr. D.Y. Patil University stands at third position with a total of 46 publications. Network collaboration between organizations. All India Institute of Medical Science has a strong collaborative network between the organizations All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Indraprasth Apollo Hospital, Center for Sick, Center for Sight, King George Medical University, and Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research. Most preferred authors keyword. Total 4036 Scopus keywords have been extracted from the publications. Compared to this, the authors specified keywords were 1833. The top 10 authors keyword were COVID-19 453 times, coronavirus 149 times, SARS-CoV-2 118 times, pandemic 96 times, hydroxy, hydro, hydroxychloroquine 35 times, India 30 times, 30 times, lockdown 80 times, SARS 18 times, 2019 NCOV 15 times, and telemedicine 14 times. It is important that while searching data in the database, the terms COVID-19 and coronavirus were used in title, keywords, and abstract. If both if both these terms excluded from the result, then keyword epidemiology 13 times and molecular docking 12 times used. Funding organization. The most Indian projects funding organizations are Science and Engineering Research Board, 13 projects, Department of Science and Technology, Government of Kerala, 10 projects, Department of Science and Technology, Ministry of Science and Technology, India, 10 projects, and Indian Council of Medical Research, 10 projects. Thank you. Thank you, all of you.